Hey y'all, today we picked up our Azure order and we're really excited to show you what we got. This is our first time getting one. My friends have been telling me about it, so I'm like, I finally just went ahead and tried it. I was excited to see that we had a drop-off area, a drop-off spot in our area, so that made it convenient. So here's some of the stuff that we got. Those are the heavy cream. It's like Christmas. We're gonna see what we got. Allie, what is that?
I don't know.
Wow. I heard you singing. You're strong. You're strong. You're so strong. That's milk.
So heavy. It's so heavy.
Oh my goodness, look at all this. Y'all ready to see what we got?
Yeah, can I have those boxes?
Bear's ready. Bear's ready. Bear, what did you get? Oh, there's Sadie. Sadie lady. Is there more? Or is that it? Okay. This is our produce box. So I paid $40 for this box that I didn't know what was gonna be in it. So. We got some of the good pears, some apples, some oranges. Looks like blood oranges, possibly.
It's like zucchini.
Some potatoes, some onions. Ooh, some little zucchinis, a huge pepper.
Garlic.
This reminds me of co-op, like I used to get the co-op boxes.
Pineapple.
Garlic.
You taste garlic.
Pineapple. What's that, Bear?
What is that? Potatoes.
Yummy.
Yeah, open this.
Cute. This is like a package. What is it?
Then I got Daddy some heavy creams. Some good heavy creams that doesn't have all the bad preservatives in it.
Has a flour.
Bad flour.
Hey, where'd the other little Elliot?
What is this?
Elliot, open it this way. Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. What is it, Ellie? Cereal. What's this one? Sushi rice, Heidi.
Apple. Apple.
Potatoes.
Black tea.
Chocolate tea.
Flour. 2 heavy bags of flour.
You okay, Helen?
Yes. Raw egg.
Those are good.
I swear, yummy.
This stuff came in the box, so, well, this one didn't. So a lot of the fruit, it was a $40 box. You get like a variety of whatever they send you. So this is some of the stuff that we got in here. And that box, this, I bought that separately. I bought these potatoes separately. This stuff came in the $40 box. Some jalapenos I got, some more ripe potatoes. We love those, some sweet potatoes. I got a really big box of the Alaskan Salmon. They're all individually wrapped, which is nice. But the only kind of salmon that I do buy is the Alaskan salmon. I do not buy the Atlantic salmon. And then we got some all-purpose flour unbleached. What's this one? I got a big bag of the bread flour. Some baking soda. Some black-eyed peas. We love black-eyed peas. I got some sushi rice, so we got some sushi. some good soy sauce, some pickles. These look really good. I got some yogurt. I love to eat some yogurt. I got Ellie some of her cottage cheese. Ellie loves cottage cheese. Big bag of broccoli. And I like the way that they did these little broccoli florets. You know, a lot of times you get the bags of broccoli florets at the grocery store and they're big chunks of florets. And sometimes I like to break mine smaller because I like mine smaller. Look at these though. These are all small. I like that these are all small, so that's really nice because that would be good like in a broccoli cheese soup or just steam them and eat them. Kids have already gotten into the milk. We love this, so I use this as a soy sauce alternative. Sometimes if I don't want to get like us to have some soy sauce, I use this, especially for Kyle's stuff because he doesn't really eat much soy and all that. So I use the liquid aminos and it's really good. It's a really good soy sauce replacement. I just want to try this sweetened condensed coconut milk. Why not? Let's see, we got some raw Monterey Jack cheese. I got Kyle some summer sausage. I love these. These are my go-to. If I feel like I'm getting sick, or if I just need some energy, or I feel like I need just some more vitamins and electrolytes in my system, I pour one of these packets in my water. I love them. I have all different kinds in my cabinet, all different flavors. I decided to try some chocolate tea. Hadn't tried it yet. Let's see. Buttermilk ranch dressing. This is a good sized bag. Cereal that the kids have gotten into. I tried it. Tastes pretty good. Some cream cheese, Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese, a big block of cheddar cheese. We go through a lot of cheddar in our house. Here's a heavy cream. It's always hard for us to find a good heavy cream that doesn't contain some of the ingredients that we try to avoid. This one did not have any of the bad ingredients, so I'm really excited about that. And we got some milk.